Bismillah Rahman Rahim. These are the Muqataaat letters, and these letters appear in the beginning of some of the surahs of the Quran, and only Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala knows the meanings of these letters. So just repeat after me. Alif, Lam, Mim. Now, since Alif does not have any sign, we will read the original name of the alphabet Alif. Similarly, as you already know that the big mud and the small mud don't give direction to the sound of a letter. Their only job is to stretch and increase the length of a letter. So we are reading the name of the alphabet itself. And then we are connecting this lam with the meme because of its tashteed applying gunna here. And then we are going to stretch the meme, the name of the meme as well for 4 seconds. So it will be like this: Alif, Lam, Mim. So Alif and then Lam part will be for 4 seconds. Then we will press the meme, applying gunna there, press it for 1 second, and then meme. So Alif, Lam, Mim. So there are 3 stages of reading this. First, Lam, it will be stretched for 4 seconds. Then it will be pressed for 1 second. Then Meme, it will be stretched again for 4 seconds. So the part is the gunna part. Got it? So Alif, Lam, Mim. Similarly, Alif, Lam, Mim, Sad. Alif, Lam, Ra. Alif, Lam, Mim, Ra. Kaf, Ha, Ya, Ain, Sad. Taha, Tasim, Mim. Here, seen will be connected with meme, so we will not read seen. The end of the scene will not be with the noon of scene. Instead, it will be connected with the meme because of the tashdid on meme, applying gunna there, and then stretching the meme for 4 seconds. So tasim meme. So this will be like this: S E E E E M M. It will be M at the end, not N. M for monkey, not N for nap. Okay, so it will be Tasim, and then Tasin, Yasin, Sad, Hamim, Hamim, Ain, Sin, Qaf, Qaf,